A new study carried out by the University of Exeter has found that songs from around the world tend to share features, including a strong rhythm, that enable coordination in social situations and encourage group bonding. Despite decades of skepticism about the presence of cross-culturally universal aspects of music, the study provides strong evidence for the existence of common features in global music. The results support the idea that music is a powerful social glue that According to a new study by Diana Krasikova, Assistant Professor of Management at the University of Texas at San Antonio, the key to a successful creative leader is confidence. Krasikova, an expert in leadership, took a closer look at the modern workplace and noted that many factors led to a productive, well-led team. Her top-tier research on leadership showed that ineffective or abusive leaders will create stressful situations. Ocean warming is affecting humans in direct ways, and the impacts are already being felt, including effects on fish stocks and crop yields, more extreme weather events, and increased risk from waterborne diseases, according to what has been called the most comprehensive review available on the
The Edinburgh Festival Fringe is the world's largest arts festival, which in 2015 spanned 25 days and featured over 50,000 performances. Established in 1947 as an alternative to the Edinburgh International Festival, it takes place annually in Scotland's capital in the month of August. It is an open access or unjuried performing arts festival, meaning that there is no selection committee and anyone may participate with any type of performance. The official Fringe program categorizes shows into many different sections, including theatre, comedy, dance, and cabaret. Comedy is the largest section and the one that in modern times has the highest public profile. This is in part due to the Edinburgh Comedy Awards, which have launched the careers of many household names in British comedy. The Fringe has often showcased experimental, challenging, or controversial works that might not be invited